when the sun shines in Scotland, you really have to run out and enjoy and make the most out of it.
If you throw it too far, you have to go and get it.
Yes.
What's the name?
Punchy. Punchy.
Oh,
Punchy means small in my language.
she says she's tiny.
Yeah.
Yeah, she is.
Felt like summer because the sun was out, but you were wearing your leggings the whole time, weren't you? And I was wearing my pullover.
But I was without socks.
All right. Well, socks on the beach, that's not good.
That's about how much summer it gets now.
Yes.
Oh, nice, no? Great.
Really cool, huh?
No more question why the Scottish have a unicorn as their national animal. There must be unicorns in this. Actually, we are in this spot where all the Harry Potter fans are coming.
Martina
In the film.
is a Harry Potter fan.
I'm not. That's what I just wanted to say. Neither you nor me have seen that film or read the books. We know nothing about Harry Potter.
And we will never read. I know that.
We have to.
Nothing against Harry Potter fans or Harry Potter films. It's just not our taste, right?
Yes, yes. And also Lord of the Rings, another thing, so many people love it. We haven't seen it, we haven't read it.
Yeah.
Actually, I started reading it and I stopped reading because I thought it was so boring. And I had the books given to me from a friend of mine. He loved these stories and he was quite, disappointed with that. I never read it.
So you're no longer friends?
Yes, no. That's how life is, no? No.
Actually, you normally don't see many people in Scotland. I mean, when you are in the Highlands. But right here in Glenfinnan Valley, crazy.
They're all hiding in the bushes. Why?
Yes.
Because they all want to see the same thing like we want to see.
Harry Potter train.
The famous Hogwarts Express. Very nice Scottish weather. We love it. No?
Yeah. Very nice. very slippery, Martin. Go and see.
Kom hit. First day, you coming up?
Yes. Martina has some great plans for
Hungry people.
hungry people.
Yes.
So, what's in the fridge today, Martina?
In the fridge today is gnocchi, if I said it right.
Gnocchi?
Gnocchi. I extra watched the video from an Italian person to learn how to pronounce it, and they say gnocchi.
Gnocchi?
Yes.
So, is that Italian?
Of course, it's Italian. It comes from North Italy, and it's basically a dumpling, but a lot of people also think gnocchi is pasta. But the difference is that these gnocchi are basically made out of potato, and that's why you can also call it a dumpling. And with a lot of things we eat today, it used to be something for poor people because it's made out of potatoes. And nowadays...
Are you telling me that
we
poor
are
people eat potatoes? Well, that's, in Sri Lanka, it's the other way around.
Really?
Potatoes are quite expensive because, it's not an indigenous plant.
Yeah.
So when Sri Lankan people have to cook or buy potatoes, it tends to be quite expensive because potatoes are grown only in the highlands, like in a very small part of Sri Lanka.
Yeah, so I think potato nowadays is one of the most loved vegetables, and you can prepare it in so many varieties that we are gonna do the gnocchi today. We need 150 grams of flour, half a kilo of floury cooking potatoes, and just cook them very normal with a little bit of salt and peel them. And if they can cool down for like overnight, it's much easier to work with them.
So that means you have to start cooking a day before.
You can, but you don't have to.
Okay.
Just they are not hot anymore to work with.
Ooh, Martina got really very sensitive hands.
Just do what the recipe says.
Okay, good.
Often I don't do that. And then you have to either make them small with a potato press, or you can also use something like
Grater.
this. So this thing here, we are actually carrying that around in our van since I don't know how many years. I only used it like 3 times, and it may be one of the things that can go, but maybe the gnocchi turn out so good that we're gonna use that every week from now on. The advantage of this recipe is you can also get your muscles trained.
Ooh, look at these muscles. Ooh.
They're all from cooking.
Oh, look at this. Got a muscly woman.
Bodybuilding. Once the potatoes are like mashed, you add 1 egg and the flour. Then you make a nice potato dough out of it. Punchi is organizing her own food out there.
Don't you have to put any butter or anything in there?
No, I just have to add now salt and spices before I do this too much. Yeah, when you eat them, you would think that there is butter inside.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So, that's for boiling the gnocchi.
Now, isn't it that when you're boiling something, you should not put salt first?
He's right, of course. But I did it now.
Do you know what the reason is?
It will take the water longer to boil.
Okay, yeah.
So, but since we got a new gas bottle, I'm not worried about that today.
Oh, Martina, you have to think about
Saving money, no?
saving the environment.
That's true.
Burning up too much gas is not a good thing.
I'll do better next time.
All right.
Promised. And then all you have to do is form this potato dough into little nuggets, or I don't know how you call that.
Yeah, nuggets is a good word. So do they have to be in any particular shape?
Mostly they're just in, like little dumplings like this.
Okay.
And what you have to do afterwards is using a fork and give them a little fork imprint so that the sauce you put on is sticking better on them. Makes sense, no?
Yep, it does.
So if you like, you can start making fork imprints on these ones here.
Okay.
Just like this on the side.
Okay. So basically like that.
Yes.
That's a full-time job.
They start to look like gnocchi. Gnocchi. So this is boiling, so we're gonna dump the dumplings in.
That is punchy.
Hello, Punchi! Hallå, du bist da. She's there. I think she has a very dirty face.
Punchy, what have you been doing? Got a dirty face. Huh? Punchy.
See, and once they start coming up, they are done.
So they are already coming up, huh?
Yes, it takes like 2-3 minutes only for the first ones that I put in.
Okay.
Now do I use this?
So, what do we eat gnocchi with? Gnocchi.
We eat it today with the chicken fillet, which I just fried in the pan very easily with some nice spices. And then I had some fennel in the fridge, so I cut it in pieces, put some butter in the frying pan, put it in there for like 10-15 minutes until it's soft. Added also some lemon juice and what else? Well, butter and pepper and salt to make it a bit tasty.
Baking would be easier.
Baking.
Yeah, that.
You could put them in the oven, but doesn't takes too much energy, no?
Yes.
So now the sauce is missing, and luckily I have one last pan left, so we can also get that sauce done.
So this is the downside to van life, no?
Yes,
You don't have like dozens of different kinds of pans.
Yes, you have to organize your cooking a little bit more, probably.
And what is this?
This is coriander and this cream sauce.
So the cream sauce made of just milk? Huh?
Yeah, I'm putting a little bit of mint in it also to make it a bit summery.
Oh,
I don't know if it's good, but I try it.
I'm sure it's good.
I put in a little bit of lemon juice and cream, not milk, because milk will not get so thick.
What is this?
This is starch with the water, so it's not giving small
Clumps.
clumps. Yeah.
Good. You like it?
I think I like it. You?
Doesn't matter what she thinks. I have to like it.